Find x. So we need to find this x and we need to find this x. This one for part A, what we're going to do is get information for these two angles, and then we're going to remember that the three angles of any triangle always add up to 180. And we're going to do that by doing the following. This 50 is going to be transferred to this location, and the reason we could do that is that these are vertical angles. Anytime you have two lines crossing, these angles are equal, they're congruent, they're called vertical angles. So the 50 can be transferred to this location. Then we're going to notice that this is 180. This is a straight angle from here to here. We're going to say 180 minus 75. That will give us this angle. For B, what we're going to do is we're going to notice that we have vertical angles again. This angle equals this angle. So if this is 90, and that's the symbol for 90, a little box. This 90, we could transfer it to this location. And then we're going to write an equation that says 2x plus 7x equals 90 degrees. And we're going to solve for x. So let's do the A. So this 50 is transferred to this location because these are vertical angles and they're always equal. Vertical angles are always equal. This is 180. So 180 minus 75 will give you this angle. So 180 minus 75 gives you 105 degrees. So that goes right here, 105 degrees. Now we know that the three angles of any triangle, when you add them, the inside angles always add up to 180. So we write our equation. These three angles, when you add them up, always give you 180. The three angles on the inside of any triangle. You collect like terms and combine. Solve for the x. And so x equals 25 degrees. For the B, we notice that these are vertical angles. Vertical angles are always equal, so we could say if this is 90, this should also be 90. Now that we have the 90 up here, we know that 2x plus 7x should give me the 90. Solve for the x, and x turns out to be 10 degrees. For C, we need to remember the following. The sum of the two remote means away, so this is an exterior angle. These are the interior angles, so the sum of the two remote interior angles equals the exterior angle. So when you have these two angles, and you have this one, this will be the exterior. These are the interior that are remote. Remote means away. For example, this one's not remote to 2x. The ones that are remote are the ones that are further away. So these two, when you add them, these two interior angles, when you add them, should always give you this exterior angle. So x plus 58 equals 2x. Solve for your x, collect your x's, and x turns out to be 58 degrees.